Good morning, student. Today we will read food on special occasion. In India, a variety of special food is prepared on festivals. On Sankranti, dishes are made out of new rice, new pulses, oil seeds, jaggery, etc. In India, there are many festivals which are celebrated. In month January, Sankranti is celebrated. It's known as Khichdi. On that day, people make with new rice and new pulses khichdi and eat jaggery. Jaggery means गुड़ से बनी हुई चीज़ें खाते हैं और खिचड़ी खाते हैं. चावल और नई दाल की बनी हुई खिचड़ी खाते हैं. Pongal is also celebrated around the same time. On that day, Pongal is also celebrated. Okay. Special dish is prepared during Pongal by boiling rice with fresh milk and jaggery in new clay pots. Pongal, what is made in clay pots, मतलब मिट्टी के बर्तन में चावल उबाल के उसमें फ्रेश मिल्क डाल के और जैगरी मीन्स गुड़ डाल के पकाया जाता है और उसे खाया जाता है. ओके. लोहड़ी प्रसाद compromise 5 main items. In January month, Lohri is also celebrated. It's a festival of Punjab and Haryana. On that day, fire is burnt and what prasad is eaten? Til, gajak, gud, moongfali and popcorn. You get prasad of this all items mixed together. Okay. और लोहड़ी में आपको तिल, गजक, गुड़, मूंगफली और पॉपकॉर्न का मिला हुआ को मिला के उसका प्रसाद बनाया जाता है एंड दैट यू हैव इट. तिल, गजक, व्हीट फ्लोर लड्डू, पीले चावल एक्सेट्रा मार्क द सेलिब्रेशन ऑफ बैसाखी. इन द मंथ ऑफ अप्रैल बैसाखी फेस्टिवल इज सेलिब्रेटेड एंड उसमें क्या होता है, उसमें क्या खाया जाता है? तिल, गजक और आटे के लड्डू और पीले चावल. दैट इज़ ईटन इन दैट फेस्टिवल. ओके. रामनवमी इज सेलिब्रेटेड विद कूल ड्रिंक्स एंड पचड़ी ऑफ कुकम्बर एंड सोक्ड पल्सेस. रामनवमी में क्या खाया जाता है? यू आर रीडिंग अबाउट फूड्स which is eaten on special occasion, which dish is prepared on special occasion. रामनवमी में क्या बनाया जाता है? कुकम्बर से और सोक्ड मतलब भीगे हुए दालों से पचड़ी. It is a type of dish which is made and cool drinks are also prepared for it. Okay. Milk pudding, butter and curd preparations mark the festival of Janmashtami. Janmashtami, it's the birthday of Lord Krishna, and on that festival what is prepared? Milk, पुडिंग, खीर, बटर, मक्खन एंड कर्ड और दही जमाई जाती है और दैट फूड इज़ प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर दिस सेलिब्रेशन. मोदक्स filled with coconut or dry fruit fillings are prepared during Ganesh Chaturthi. The special dish made on Ganesh Chaturthi is modak. Okay. Modak is made up of maida and all that, and it is filled with coconut and dry fruit fillings is filled in that modak. Okay. In Goa, Christmas is celebrated by cooking a special dish called bibinka along with palm cake. गोवा में क्रिश्चियंस लोग क्या मनाते हैं? क्रिसमस. That is celebrated and On that day, the main dish is palm cake, which is made, and the special dish called bebinka, okay, that is made. Rava and besan laddus, kesri bhat, kheers and gujia are popular sweets of Maharashtra prepared during festivals. महाराष्ट्र में कौन सी डिश फेमस है? बेसन लड्डू, केसरी भात, खीर and gujia that are famous in Maharashtra. Gujia is also popular dish of Goa where it is called Neuros. Okay, गुजिया एक पॉपुलर डिश है which is prepared in Goa, which is called Neuros. Okay, a special sweet सेवई is prepared on Eid. ईद में क्या बनाते हैं? सेवई. Bihu is celebrated in Assam by making fresh water fish which is steamed in banana leaves or cured as a sword tenga. एक स्पेशल डिश बनती है बिहू फेस्टिवल पे, असम के लोग बनाते हैं, विच इज़ मेड ऑफ फिश विच इज़ स्टीम इन बनाना लीव्स. ओके, होली इज सेलिब्रेटेड विद ठंडई, गुजिया, कांजी एंड डिफरेंट चाट्स एंड स्वीट्स. You also celebrate Holi festival, and what your mama makes you eat at home. Thandai, gujia, kanji and special dishes of chaats and sweets. On Durga Puja in Kolkata, people relish a variety of egg and meat dishes with rice and sweets like sandesh and rasgulla. During Durga Puja in Kolkata, people eat varieties of meat and egg with rice, and the sweets which they have are called sandesh and rasgulla. So you have read in this lesson that the food habits of people in India differ from region to region, and a variety of special food is prepared on special festival. Okay.